Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of 3D star in Autodesk Inventor software. We'll construct this profile of 3D star in Autodesk Inventor. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and create. Now go to 2D sketch and we will select the exact plane. This will be the top plane, rotate it. Now from here we will take the polygon and take 5 sides polygon. From this center point make a polygon and from same center point make one more polygon, okay, in reverse direction. Now escape. Now give the dimensions. The bigger polygon will be of dimension 200 and the small one will be of 100 mm. Now go to vertical constraint, select this point and select the center point. Similarly select this point and select the center point. Now both the polygons are defined. Now select both the polygons and make them a construction geometry. Okay, these are just for reference. Okay, now we will construct this star profile. Now go to line command, select this point and connect here. Now from here connect the outer edge, from here connect internal, from here connect this, connect here, connect it. Now you can see the half profile. I will connect here, connect here. Okay, if it's not defined then it is not connected properly, so go to line once again, select here and select here. Okay, now you can see it is constrained. From here it will be the last point till here. Okay, now you can see the star profile. Finish sketch. Now to make it a 3D profile, we'll make a new plane. Go to plane, go to offset from plane, origin, and we'll make a plane from XZ plane, offset it at 50 mm and OK. Now select this plane, go to create sketch and go to point command and make a point over here. Finish. Now you can hide this, right click and turn off the visibility. Now we have two sketch, one this star profile and one this point profile. Go to loft, select this star and select this point, make OK. Now you can see the half profile of star. Now to complete it, as you can see this is a flat. Go to mirror profile, select this solid, go to mirror plane and select this back face and OK. Now you can see, go to home. Now you can see both sides, a star profile. Now you can define a color from here. Okay, go to Inventor Material Library. From here select metal 600F. Okay, you can take any color as you want. I have taken metal 600F. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D model of star in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.